the nation is prosperous and the people will be strong. Only with powerful craftsmen and machines can our country be prosperous and our people live in peace. China-Vanguard Machinery Technology Company, Limited is a professional high-end equipment manufacturing enterprise integrating R&D, production and sales. Its business scope covers sand and gravel aggregates, industrial grinding powder, mining and classification, EPC general contract project and other professional high-end equipment manufacturing enterprises. The company adheres to the concept of science, preciseness, perseverance and progress, constantly improving and strengthening core technology, focusing on product quality. In order to provide customers with high-end products, the company has introduced 6M vertical lathes, 8.5M large gear hobbing machine, heavy data vertical lathe, 180 heavy CNC boring machine and other advanced production and processing equipment. Through years of unremitting efforts, the company's products have won high praise from customers in both domestic and international markets. Innovative and intelligent manufacturing and wins by quality. Innovation is the source of maintaining the vigorous vitality of the enterprise, and excellent quality is the bridge to the world. Vanguard Machinery has integrated the craftsman spirit into R&D manufacturing and produced a series of high-end products in the industry that are widely recognized by the market. Crawler-type mobile crushing plant, tire-type mobile crushing plant, MVP series mobile plant, 6CX high-efficiency jaw crusher, 6FX impact crusher, CP multi-cylinder cone crusher, CS/CH single-cylinder cone crusher, 5X sand making machine, YGM Q4 series European type strength grinding mill and other product systems. The company's products have passed ISO 9001 International Quality System certification, CE certification of EU, Russian JUST certification and EAC Eurasian conformity, 3A credit certification and other quality system certifications, 126 national utility model patents, 11 chemical mixture coating combination design patents, independent R&D and 114 copyright of the National Computer Software Copyright Registration Certificates, promote 5 customer experience interaction systems, and stand up a multidimensional, full-process modern management system. Crushing, grinding, mining, beneficiation and other product sections are concentrated and exerted, with the corporate purpose of pragmatic innovation, honesty-oriented, quality first, best service, to serve customers, satisfy customers, and design the most suitable production plan as the ultimate goal. Interconnecting the world to win-win cooperation. Vanguard Machinery has gathered a large number of enterprising and experienced industry elites, which provides a strong support for the company's development and quickly promotes the company's development in the industry. The company closely follows the One Belt One Road national strategy, and its sales network has covered many countries and regions around the world, and its products are exported to Southeast Asia, Africa, the Middle East, North and South America and other markets. With regional agents and branches in multiple regions, Vanguard Machinery is actively grasping the strategic system points of China's equipment manufacturing, going out in the solid and stable global market construction, and has gradually formed a network that radiates more than 100 countries, and the regional sales network continuously provides global customers with one-stop, integrated, efficient and convenient pre-sales, in-sales, and after-sales services. Innovative and intelligent manufacturing and interconnecting the world. Meticulous in design, elaboration production. Sincere service. Win-win cooperation, hand in hand and walking together customers.